Just a quick housekeeping issue. I'll be coming out with videos on Friday from now on, and I may increase that to twice a week, but for now, Friday night at 6:30 will be the time that I'll come out with my videos using the Premiere system, scheduling system on YouTube, and we'll see how that works out. It does afford some advantages, and one video per week for the time being, as I say, and as the season ramps up, maybe I'll increase that to two videos a week. Maybe I'll add another video in on, you know, Tuesday or Wednesday or something like that. I want to take you out to the northernmost access point to Lake Okeechobee this morning. That's where we're going, and I'll take you out there on I-70, which is what we're on now. And when we get out there, I think you'll like it. I'll try to afford you an opportunity to see some of the vantage point of the northernmost access point of Lake Okeechobee facing south. So this is the vantage point I was telling you about, guys. I'm just going to take a quick pan here. Way off in the distance is the Lake Okeechobee. Straight out in that direction there, beyond that barrier area there, which I hope you can see, is the lake. And the lake, I'm going to pan the entire lake where the lake is as we move to the left here, just to give you an idea of how vast, incredibly vast, this lake is. Can you see that way out there? You can see some of the lake now. It's beyond that area of land there. It's just incredible. I know you guys in other parts of the country have some really, really beautiful lakes. But this one is a nice one. That direction, a little bit to my right, is heading south. This is where the lake curls around, heading south down in that direction there. Just amazing. Now this is a different entrance to the lake, guys, than the one I've shown you before at Canal Point. Canal Point is about 20 miles south of here. As I say, this is the northern access point. But in order to get to this, it's an easier access point from my house than Canal Point. Canal Point requires a little bit more jog and tittle, shall we say, on different types of roads. It's amazing how many of the businesses along this main drag in Okeechobee are not open. Well, I hope you enjoyed the lake, and I enjoyed bringing it to you. I'm just going to let the camera run now and take it back to the barn.